strong.
So hi guys, welcome back to another Arjun. Hope you had a wonderful Diwali and Children's Day. In the previous video we saw that we were in a land of aliens and luckily we escaped the aliens and suddenly, I don't know, I time traveled 165 million years ago into the Triassic period. So now we are in the land of dinosaurs. So let's get into it. So we are in the land of dinosaurs. Okay, those are the T-Rexes. Here are the herbivore dudes. An Argentinosaurus. A T-Rex is attacking. I don't think so. A T-Rex can take on a full-grown Argentinosaurus. Maybe the Brachiosaurus can help. I guess. Anyway. One T-Rex is already dead? How's that possible? I'll show you. Dead T-Rex. Da 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 da. Okay, that's it. That T-Rex was just charging on the Argentinosaurus. I don't know why. Looking at the Argentinosaurus' size, it can just smash the T-Rex off in just one shot, right? Okay, it's still scared of a T-Rex. These creatures can go help the Argentinosaurus because I don't know why. Okay, there's another Velociraptor. Can't see its okay now I can see its head. Dead Velociraptor. Okay. Next, the other T-Rex. Where's the other T-Rex? So there. Hi, Pterodon. Whoa. Okay. The T-Rex just went. Okay, now it's scared of the Argentinosaurus. Understood. Very well. Wait. Is it charging back or something? No, it isn't. What is it doing? It's just going in circles. And why is the pterodon doing up here? It's not doing anything. You, mister. I command you to fly. I just want to see you fly. That T-Rex. 2 T-Rexes. And now... should find the third T-Rex. It should be around here somewhere. Is it here? No. Wait, it is here. T-Rex. Okay, so there's only one T-Rex here. And that's one. Yeah. Okay, so the Peridon is... oh, it just now flew. You landed again. Okay, great. Okay, the T-Rex is coming down now. And the Pterodon's flying. Yes. Pterodon was T-Rex. Woohoo! I think it's now flying. T-Rex, go catch it. Just play fetch. Fetch the Pterodon. Or pterodactyl. I don't know. You're gonna catch it, right? Jump, 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 jump. Just roll and come back. Come back to the world. There's just one T-Rex more, but this is gonna rule the world. Hit that Stegosaur. Yes! What? Now this T-Rex also went. Okay, now what T-Rex is remaining? And it's a herbivore, dudes. Aww. Okay, now everybody's happy and it's all peaceful. So that is it for the dinosaur world. So hope you guys enjoyed this dinosaur video. And I want to see dinosaurs in actual life. They were extinct so long before. I want to see them. Comment down in the comment section below that what is your favorite dinosaur and would you like to see them and why. Before you leave, please like, share and subscribe.
Be strong.